Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel CG Pathshala. In this video, we will read a very first poem of class 11 textbook, A Photograph. Before starting the video, please like, subscribe and share this video and don't forget to press the bell icon. The name of the poem is A Photograph and it is written by Shirley Tolson. It is written in the memory of poetess mother. A photograph is a picture taken with a camera to capture our special moments and the time we spend with our loved ones. फोटोग्राफ हम अपने loved ones की memories को याद रखने के लिए संजोने के लिए लेते हैं. The poem is written by Shirley Tolson. She was born on 20th May 1924 and died on 23rd September 2018. She was an English poetess of 20th century. She also served as a teacher, education journalist, and an editor. She died at the age of 94. She also wrote a lot about the contemporary issues. Her notable works was The Drovers' Roads of Wales, The Drovers' Roads of South Wales. Tolson in this poem photograph describes the emotions felt as she remembered the story behind the image and what it means to the poet. Every picture has a story behind it. And in this present poem, the poetess recalls her mother and her memories while looking at a childhood photograph of her mother when she was 12 years old. The mother is no more. She has been deceased 12 years ago. उनकी मृत्यु हो चुकी है 12 साल पहले. The poetess cannot express her grief on her mother loss. So, this poem is basically a tribute to a mother by a daughter Shirley Tolson. तो शर्ली टॉल्सन ने इस पोएम के माध्यम से अपनी मृत माता को एक श्रद्धांजलि दी है अपने तरफ से. इट इज़ अ ट्रिब्यूट टू हर मदर. So the poem explores how people may die, but in a strange way they continue to live in the form of memories. Poem is basically a tribute to a mother by a daughter, and it has nostalgic feeling. यह पोएम हमें बताता है कि मृत होने के बाद भी, मरने के बाद भी लोग हमारी यादों में कैसे बसे रहते हैं. और इट इज़ बेसिकली ट्रिब्यूट टू अ मदर बाय अ डॉटर. एक बेटी की तरफ से अपनी माँ को एक श्रद्धांजलि है ये पोएम. So here is the poem. This poem has 3 stanzas, each containing 3 different elements in it. The first stanza is about a photograph, about the childhood of poetess mother when she had gone for a sea holiday with her cousins and with her uncle. In the same stanza, the poet has tried to describe that the nature is permanent and we the human beings are temporary and short-lived. The second stanza is about the mother's memory when she sees the photo of her childhood after 20-30 years later. The third and the last stanza is about the poetess' grief over her mother's loss. She has lost her mother, and expressing her grief, she is also questioning about death and life. So please have a look of summary of the poem photograph. It is written. Please go through it. Poetic device used in the poem are alliteration, in this repeating of same sounds are there. Oxymoron, putting the words together of opposite meaning. Personification is used in here, putting the quality of human being. Simile is used here. Two things are directly compared, like as. Tone of the poem is sadness and solemn. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.